Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get to the Iron Cafe in Fish It Roblox. So the Iron Cafe is a fantastic hidden location in Fish It. So what you need to do to go to the Iron Cafe, first head into the Iron Cavern in the classic island, and then to open the gate in here of the Iron Cafe you need to find four kind of fishes: the guest guppy, bilderman, seedless guy, and bright ass guppy. So in here you can just place each of the fishes needed to this one. So let's go put on the guest guppy, place on the guest guppy. So just click on place item and the builderman in here, the seedless sky guppy, and the last one is the bright ass guppy. So if you put four of these fishes, then you can get the gate to open and you can have access to the Iron Cafe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.